Hey, what's going on? Canyon here at MarineMax 4 Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2026 Harris 250 Sunliner. It's a brand new model from Harris and we're excited about it. Here we are on the bow of the boat. See, we have two huge loungers in the front, plenty of your seating, cup holders, lights, speakers, armrests. Great spot to hang out for the day. Here we are at the raised helm on this Sunliner. Come around here, you'll see we have our digital throttles, nice dash, Simrad. A new design on these Sunliners is this nice little storage spot. We have storage up top here, fold down for shoes, and super cool option is a cooler drawer. Another new design on the Sunliner is our multi-position seat here. It can be a lounger forward or you can sit facing forward. We have our 3-position seat here as well. Ton of storage, cup holders. Back of the boat, we have the ski tow bar, and she's powered by Mercury 300. Thanks for joining me in this video. Let me know if you have any questions.